how to type subscripts and superscripts in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, you want to write a subscript of this format. So let's go ahead and type A1, A2, and A3. And we want to turn these numbers, the 1, the 2, and the 3, into subscripts. So let's go ahead and highlight those numbers by clicking Control and dragging our cursor across those numbers. Now click here under the font section, the icon with the X and the 2 at the bottom. And you'll also see the code for that, or rather the shortcut is Control, Shift, and underscore. So when you click on that, that will automatically turn those numbers, your selected text, into subscript format. You can also quickly access or type in this format by typing in or clicking the shortcut on your keyboard, which is Control Shift underscore. And as you can see, you are now in subscript form. Now, the same thing can be done to create a superscript. So let's go ahead and select our subscript text and turn it into a superscript text. Now the superscript icon is just beside the subscript icon. Now click on that, and that should turn your subscript or selected text into superscript text. And as you can see here on the shortcut, it is Control-Shift+. Now let's go ahead and type that. Let's try it out. Now Control, Shift, and plus should turn your selected text into superscript as well. And that is how you can type in both subscript and superscript in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.